we opened these walls, we found out that the header is not actually supported. So when you frame in a window, you've got a jack stud and a king stud. The jack stud is what the header sits on. The header takes those rafters and moves it out to here, takes it down to the foundation. That way you don't bow your window, you don't put weight on your window. This was a really interesting find because these jack studs do not go all the way to the header. In fact, they've just got these wood blocks in there, which I pulled out. So there is no load transfer going on here. Now, if I don't touch it, I don't have to fix it. But we're making these windows cabinet height. So I'm gonna have to reframe all of this for modern building code.